Hello, thank you for joining me today. I'm Frank with CADTALK Software, and I'm going to show you an integration between SOLIDWORKS and IFS. The goal of this integration is to transform your CAD data so that it can be useful inside of your ERP. With CADTALK, you can synchronize the creating or updating of items, create or update product structures, and transport documents, such as PDFs of drawings or step files, into your ERP. We have the ability to work with inventory parts inside of IFS, along with engineering parts and project deliverables. And you can accomplish all of this with either IFS Apps 10 or IFS Cloud. Let's hop into SOLIDWORKS to see how we do this. Inside SOLIDWORKS, you'll see we have CADTALK enabled as an add-in, just like all other add-ins. Here we have our section for IFS, where we can log into our IFS environment. The user will log in using their own credentials. Now that we are logged in, we can begin the transformation. All we need to do is click the SOLIDWORKS file. This will prompt the user for which configuration they want. We want the 4-gear set, as I'm showing here. What CADTALK is now doing is transforming all of the properties from SOLIDWORKS and the occurrences inside of the assembly into IFS inventory parts. This includes the full indented bill of materials, as well as any routings. This stacked block icon represents our inventory part. We have access to the master part, the part revisions, and all other properties we want to show within the interface. We can go to the Show Hide Columns option and see all available properties on the inventory part. Here, we have our product structure header information. These single block icons represent our bill of materials, where we can see all quantities. When selected, I can show all of the information that would be on the component lines of the structure. CADTALK is traffic light color-coded, meaning everything in red does not yet exist in IFS. This is the information we are proposing to publish to IFS. Coming down here, we see some items in green. This assembly already exists inside IFS, and we have one yellow icon. If we select that, we can see which field is yellow as well. The description here. Let's right-click to see the differences. Currently in IFS, it shows this description, and we're proposing to change it to this description here. After you have reviewed and confirmed that all the information is accurate, you can click the Save Disk, and this will populate all of this information to IFS. Behind the scenes, CADTALK is now creating or updating any of those inventory parts, and then creating or updating that product structure. Once the transformation is complete, you can see all of our icons are green, indicating the information now exists in IFS. So let's go into IFS and find the part. Here we see that we successfully created the parent item. We can go to the revision, and we can open the product structure and review the BOM that we created. Finally, we can look at the multi-level view as well, and we can see the fully indented BOM that we created, coming from SOLIDWORKS to IFS without the need for any manual data entry. Thank you for your time. If you would like a personalized demo, visit cadtalk.com/demo, and we can begin the conversation of how CADTALK can meet your specific needs. Happy integrating!